Hello my friends, in today's video, I will show you how I can convert a simple pet photo into a beautiful oil painting using Photoshop. If you want to get a custom oil pet painting done by me, you can contact me on Instagram to place your order. You will find all the contact details for Instagram in the description of this video. So let's not waste any more time and start the video. First, let's import your photo in Photoshop and remove background. For removing background, you can use any tool you want. I am using Quick Selection tool. By using this tool, Photoshop will automatically select subject. If Photoshop is unable to select some areas correctly, you can also manually remove those areas. Please take your time and carefully remove all unwanted areas. We will now create a background for our oil painting portrait. And to create the background, I will be using the brush tool, along with the smudge brush. For background creation, you can try different brushes. In the pet portrait, if you want to give it an oil painting or painting effect, then we'll need to remove some areas, which I'm doing right now. To improve the clarity and sharpness of the photo of the abdomen, I will apply a camera raw filter on the photo. After applying the camera raw filter, we will now start the process of giving an oil paint effect. For this, we need to use the smudge brush tool, and you can learn how to do smudging by watching me. In the smudging process, it may take some time, so please be patient. If you want to match the background in pet's color, you can use the brush tool to apply the background color over the pet, then change its blending mode or reduce its opacity. Now it's time to make final corrections. Zoom in on the photo and check if there's any area left without smudging. If there is, smudge it. Okay, as you can see, our all pet painting is finally ready. I hope you all liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like it. And if you have any questions or if there's anything you didn't understand, please comment, and I will try to reply.